Okay, we're now bound for Bishkek. We're at Almaty Airport. It's going to be a 15-minute flight. Look at those mountains. Okay, I'm now at the airport. Just got out, and actually there's a SIM card super cheap for a week. It's like $2.30. So I went with that. There's like 3 different providers. I just went with the ones that I know. So hopefully it works well. Works well so far. Airport not super big, but clean. I mean modern. So yeah, getting out now. Okay, we're in Bishkek.
Yeah, we're in Bishkek.
So, first impression.
It's cheap.
Yeah.
Trees.
Trees. When you live in a place where we live currently, you appreciate trees. It's cheaper.
It's definitely cheaper
than Kazakhstan.
Yeah. It's definitely in Attirau. Attirau feels flat. Driving through the city, you can definitely feel the waves, like the mountains.
Right. It's a real city. It feels like a city.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel massive, but it does feel like it has everything that you need in a city.
Yeah.
Like enough things to do. Yeah? Alright, we'll check it out more. What does this say?
I have no clue what it means, but it says Kulati Taptan Kush Kuldum Kurama Kuldum.
So who is
Which
this guy?
means?
No.
Okay.
It's Kyrgyz.
Oh, in Kyrgyz, I thought you were reading it in Russian. Great. Look, check it out.
Yeah.
So cool. I don't know how many times they do this, but you almost feel like you're like in Buckingham Palace. Look at it. Yes, changing of the guard. Here we go. But we're in Kyrgyzstan instead.
Hey, we're
Kyrgyzstan
witnessing
style.
the changing of the guard here.
So every single ex-Soviet city have this kind of square, and this is one of those. This is the heart of the city. This is where people would gather together, kind of like march and do their cries for the old, good old Republic, Soviet. These big squares right here. And it's still here. Yeah, so where else can you see Lenin this big? I guess in Kyrgyzstan. So this statue used to be in the front. Now they moved it back. But historically significant landmark, Mr. Lenin. Look at him. It's finally sunny here in Bishkek, so we're just walking around and trying to go around the parks, because based on the weather channel, it's gonna snow and rain again and cold again in the future, so today's the day to go out. But we're at where?
We're at a park, which is translated from Russian. It's called the Oak Park. Supposedly lots of oak trees, lots of historical people here as statues. Should be art that's being sold in the summer, but I'm not sure if there are vendors out here right now.
Yep. But the nice part though is like no one's. I mean, it's probably even prettier in summer. Tons of trees, but no one's.
The grass is green.
The grass is green. Yep. Yeah. And there's really nobody here, so we kind of have the park for ourselves. Yeah. So, what do we have here?
We have lots of different sculptures. Supposed to see some sculptures of military people, sometimes some war heroes. Not sure exactly who sculptures these are. Yeah.
It's pretty cool, yeah. Just like dotted around here. And green again, even it's winter.
And evergreens.
And
that are
evergreens.
green all year round.
Yes.
Not your typical.
Check this out. We're at Osh Market, one of the biggest markets in the world. Starting with bread, the bread section.
Sure, Dino, what do you want?
I know, I just want to try a little. Just a little
The one with
piece.
the milk and the butter.
Yeah, the milk and butter, of course.
Sweet, sweet peaches.
Has a sweet.
Yeah.
It's like wheat juice.
Wow. It's like, yeah, it's really thick.
Wow. So beef patty inside. Very nice. Look at that steaming. Monty, ooh, look at it. Ooh, that looks so, that's potato, Monty. And we have the meat here and pumpkin. Yummy.
Fiasco.
Yeah, there's some legend about this place, but it was a city of Balasogun, Karakhanit, and end of 10, start of 11
Century.
century. It was builded.
It was looted?
Yeah, builded. I mean the tower.
It was built in the 10th century.
Yeah, end
Yeah.
of 10, start of 11.
The cool thing about this place, this is actually part of the ancient Silk Road, and really it's not too far away from Bishkek. So if you want to do a day trip here, it's a quick ride and see something that's kind of cool and ancient. It's snowing today, but really behind me should have been tons of like mountains, so you can barely see it. There's a museum here. And I guess some burial places as well that you can see. Right, climbing up the tower. Check this out. Climbing an ancient structure. Ooh, it's dark. It's steep. And there it is. There's the hole. Okay. Going up. Look at that. It's not really the easiest thing to climb, but it's kind of cool. It's not the easiest thing to climb. It's really steep and narrow, but we're almost there. We'll make it. How's that climb?
Yeah. It was nice. Wasn't? Yeah, I stopped by the little windows on the way.
Yeah.
Saw the little windows.
Little peek.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good view, yeah?
It is.
I bet I could just see it on a clear day how amazing this would be. Even better, but it's cool.
Daniel was saying there used to be a city over here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is used to be a whole city right here.
So you can see the small hills
Yeah.
all around. It was like a stina
A wall.
all around the city.
So this used to be kind of like an ancient city, yeah? And this is like the main tower.
Yeah, main tower are here, and the city was this hill
Yes.
after destroyed.
Very cool. Kyrgyzstan. Check out this winter wonderland, huh? Beauty. Looks so magical. Oof. I mean, look at that. The mist, the mountains. So cool. It is cold though. It's cold. Look at that, gorgeous. Winter Wonderland. Full blown. Amazing. Well, it took us, maybe this is about an hour and a half from Bishkek. Definitely need a 4-wheel drive to get here. So if you do that, yeah, try to make it here. The rock formation, the water, the snow, I mean, it's just so cool. Oh, look at those icicles. Amazing. We're gonna go to a hot spring. Ooh, there's a spring. Alright, that was a nice dip in the water. Nice sandy day with this hot spring water up in the mountains. It's a little bit sunnier today, so I'm re-recording this again. This is the Alatu Square, means the Great Mountain, which seems to literally explain what this country is all about. Just tons of great mountains, high elevation capital. The center and the biggest square here in Bishkek.